Okay, a solid is made from a cone and a hemisphere, and they interact so that the circular base of the cone is, and the hemisphere and the radius of the circular base are both 20 centimetres. The curved surface area of the cone is 580 and the volume of the solid is K, and work out the exact value of K. So in order to find out the surface area of a cone, the curved surface area of the cone, you need to know that it's L times pi times R. I think this is H, which we don't know, and that's R. So we know that R L pi equals 580 pi centimetres squared. You also need to know for later, so that's the surface area, or at least the curved surface area equals pi RL. Then we know the volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h, and these are all on the front. And then you also need to know the volume of a hemisphere. I think you may be just given the sphere. The sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So that's going to be half that, so it's 2/3 pi r cubed. Right, we know RL pi equals that. So we know that 20 times L times pi equals 580 pi. And we can get rid of the pi's. And now we know 20L equals 580. So divide 580 by 20 and you get L equals 29 centimetres. Now, if we know that we are going to actually have to find the vertical height of H. So if we know this is H, this is 29 and this is 20, then what can we use to find H? Well, we can use Pythagoras, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we can decide that a squared equals 29 squared minus 20 squared, which equals, you pop that in, 441. So h squared, we'll just do that again, so h equals 21. Now, so we now know what h is, we know what r is, so we can use that to find out all the information we need to. So we know that the volume of the solid equals the volume of the hemisphere, which is going to be 2/3 pi times 20 cubed, and that's going to be plus 1/3 pi 20 squared times 21. Okay, so now we've got 8,000 times 2/3, which is going to be 16,000 over 3 pi, plus, and let's just go 20 times 20 times 21 equals, divided by 3 equals, did I just get that right? Let's try that again. Oh, it's going to be nice, isn't it? Because it's 21. Equals 8,400, and divided by 3 equals 2,800 pi. And that's the actual answer. So I'm actually going to have to divide 16,000 by 3. SD, so that's 533, and we'll just leave that plus 2,800 times pi equals 8,133 equals K. one should just leave it like this. So if you made it 16,000 divided by 3 equals plus 2,800, you would get, so K actually equals 24,400 over 3.